On fuel-injected engines, the early cars use a style like this or similar for the fuel pump, which is located back at the gas tank. This is the newer type style. It does not have an internal filter. This style has a filter in it, which can be cleaned without removing it from the car. For the video, I've got it removed so it's easier to see. To clean the filter with it on the car, you're going to need an impact wrench because this is on tight. If you don't have one, then you want to remove it from the car. Anytime you're messing with something that's electrical, disconnect the negative cable off the battery. I'm using an 1 1/16" socket and my favorite impact wrench. And there's the filter. You want to keep track of this little sealing ring because you can use it over again. And look at what we got. Junk. Now you can use an air hose to blast inwards because the junk is going to be inside this screened filter. And clean the seal ring and reassemble. And this just may make everything work fine again. Of course, there is also a filter in the bottom of the gas tank, which takes a huge Allen wrench or a bolt that has a head that will fit in the hex of the drain on the gas tank. Be sure and do something like that with ventilation. And do not use a trouble light. You want to not have any possibility of a fire. Anyway, cleaning the filter at the tank and this filter and replacing the cartridge filter on the engine will lots of times fix a fuel delivery problem.